Hi, I'm Don from DonDronesOn. The other day my wife surprised me with this strange gift. It took me a while to figure out what it was, but actually what it is a drone controller cold weather muff. And it absolutely solves the problem that you and I have probably had flying your drone in cold weather. Let's check it out. So here's what we've got. It's a simple vinyl shell on the outside with fleece on the interior, which is nice on the hands. Two armholes where you put your hands inside. They have cuffs with Velcro adjustments. You don't want to keep them too tight because you've got to get your gloves in there, and the cuffs of your sleeves of your coat ideally go inside there as well. And then at the other end is the opening where you can put your equipment. Tuck it in there. You have your drone all set up in advance, and then there's Velcro tabs here to just close that in. Keep the wind out and the heat in. There we go. You could have your antennas sticking out through there. I flew it with the antennas fully inside and I had absolutely no trouble whatsoever. And there's a nice big window. Oops, I don't have that Velcro done right. At any rate, you fly like that. You've got full control with your fingers, and you can easily see the screen. I hope you can see that there, that you can see the screen. Lots of room if you have a tablet, if you're running with a tablet, and if you're using Muff glasses, which is what I do, you can simply put the controller, again, attach it to your remote control in advance. But as you can see, the wire just comes out and there's plenty of length on the Muff glasses. So you can run it and have all this inside at the same time. Terrific solution, keeps you nice and warm, and you can fly your drone, keep your hands warm. And in fact, the warmth of the controller itself, I felt my hands were actually warmer after flying than they were before. Okay, let's give a demonstration of this. I've got my full Muff glasses, Geordie LaForge look going on here. I wish I could show you what you can see through these. They are absolutely stunning. So here's the drone equipment cold weather muff. I've got my controller already turned on. My drone's ready to go. Everything's set. I just have to get my hands in here. Okay, and the cool thing is you can use, once your hands are in there, you can actually adjust the sleeves to fit. Okay, I'm ready to go. I'm just going to make sure my antennas are up. A little bit of a windy day today. But as you can see, my hands are nice and warm. In fact, it's already warming up in there. It's surprising how much warmth comes off of this controller. You've probably noticed yourself that there's a fan on the Mavic 2 controller, and that's for heat. So it's warming my hands up. Well, there you have it. The drone equipment cold weather muff. It absolutely solves the problem of flying your drone in cold weather. There's a link in the description below to my Amazon store where you can see this and other equipment that I own or love, or both. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you again soon.